kí yín o. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ tẹ́tí sí mi. Èmi ni o. Èmi náà ni o. Èmi tí yín ní tòótọ́. Àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ. Àìtàlẹ̀ àìtàlẹ̀ o. Abiyamọ. Àìtàlẹ̀ àìtàlẹ̀ o. Kò mọ̀. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí abala àkànṣe ètò Àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ fún àwọn èwe wa. Mo pè ètò yìí ní mo fẹ́ kọ́ èdè mi nítorí kíkọ́ ni mímọ̀. Èdè wa, èdè abínibí wa, ó jẹ́ ohun tó ṣe pàtàkì láti máa kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa kí wọ́n lè gbọ́, kí wọ́n sì lè sọ kó dán mọ́rán, kó dángájíá, kó sì dàgàrà lẹ́nu wọn. Ó ṣe pàtàkì púpọ̀. Fún ìtẹ̀síwájú, ìdàgbàsókè àti ìgbéga àṣà àti ìṣe wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí adúláwọ̀. Abala yìí ó wà fún àwọn èwe àtọ̀dọ́, kódà kò yan àwọn àgbàlagbà sílẹ̀ o. Ó wà fún wa láti kọ́ èdè mi, èdè yín, èdè wọn, èdè wa, èdè abínibí wa tí í ṣe Yorùbá. Ẹ máa bá mi kálọ. Welcome everyone to Àìtàlẹ̀ Abiyamọ student corner called Mo fẹ́ kọ́ èdè mi. Translated, I want to learn my language. This segment is particularly for children, youths, and the young at heart that want to learn all there is to know about a native dialect called Yoruba language. Hello children, how are you? My name is Àìtàlẹ̀ Abiyamọ. You're welcome to Kids Corner. Here we have loads and tons of fun learning and speaking Yoruba language. I'm reaching out to you guys because I'm passionate about you. This is for you to know and learn the language and embrace the Yoruba culture, especially those of you out there that really want to know all there is to know about where you're from, particularly if you're of the Yoruba race. This corner is basically to equip you with the basic foundational knowledge of the language so that you'll be well able to flow in it. And by the time you're through, be speaking Yoruba in no time. So, welcome on board. Have loads of fun with the kids. I'm going to have fun with it as well. So it's going to be quite enjoyable for everybody. because it's something you need for everyone. And it's a weekly thing, so I always upload something for you every week. So, and I'll make sure it's in a playlist so that even if you miss out, you can always go back and catch up, and you keep practicing, you keep saying it, you keep repeating it, and before you know it, you're flowing in Yoruba. So, báwo ni ṣe ṣáà wà pa? A kú ìgbà yìí o. A kú ètò.